Well, thanks for coming in and joining us via the webinar. It's, I guess, it's one of the safest way of sort of getting the theory side of things done rather than the practical. If I'm flying that area plus another 400, which legally lets me go up to another 400 feet ATL, which airspace will I be in?
G?
Yeah,
You'll still be in G. Yeah.
I'll be still between Greenvale and the actual runway, and see what happens. It actually tells you the distances.
Pretty much right on.
If it's danger, they'll pretty much tell you D383 danger, that is just a danger area. Make sure that you're not fully charged while you're traveling with them.
Thanks, Mark. Much appreciated.
No worries. Thank you. Bye.